Hey everyone! Today I want to tell you a story that might just blow your mind how a small app called Photo AI hit over $132,000 in monthly recurring revenue and how you could clone its success. Sound intriguing? Well, buckle up because this is a lesson in innovation, hustle, and the power of turning ideas into real money. Let's start with the story. Photo AI didn't become a household name overnight. It started as a simple idea, using AI to generate stunning, professional-grade photos for everyone, from social media influencers to small businesses. And guess what? The founder didn't just chase the tech buzz. They focused on solving real problems with an easy-to-use tool. So how did Photo AI go from zero to hundreds of thousands in revenue? The key was targeting a niche. People need high-quality images but don't want to pay big bucks for photographers or stock photos. By creating an accessible AI tool that anyone could use, they tapped into a huge underserved market. That's the first lesson. Find a niche where demand exceeds supply. But it's not just about the idea. It's about execution. Photo AI launched quietly, then ramped up their marketing by showing clear value. They showcased how users could create unique images in minutes, saving time and money. The results? Word spread fast and users couldn't get enough. It's a classic case of building something people genuinely want. Now you might be wondering, how can I clone this success? Well, here are some actionable steps. First, identify a pain point or a need in a niche you understand. Is there a service or product that's hard to access, expensive, or outdated? Think about how AI or new tech could make it better, faster, or cheaper. Next, build a simple prototype or MVP that's a minimum viable product. Don't aim for perfection at first. Just get something into the hands of users and gather feedback. Use that data to refine and improve. Remember, many successful startups start with a basic version and evolve over time. Then, focus on marketing smarter, not harder. Show your audience how your product solves their specific problem. Use testimonials, demos, and clear messaging. You don't need a huge budget. Social media, content marketing, and online communities can do wonders. And here's a final critical piece. Monetize early. Photo AI did this brilliantly. They offered subscriptions, tiered plans, and easy payment options. Think about your own project. What's the value for the user, and how can you capture that value reliably? Now I want to share a success highlight. The founder of Photo AI was just an independent developer with a great idea, but the secret was their focus on user needs and continuous iteration. They didn't wait for perfection. They launched, learned, and pivoted. That's the mindset you need too. Be agile, stay curious, and keep pushing. So what's the takeaway? If you're sitting on an idea or just curious about AI and tech entrepreneurship, this story proves it's possible to make a real impact, even as a solo founder or a small team. There's no magic formula, just your willingness to identify a problem, start small, and iterate relentlessly. If you're inspired by this story, here's your call to action. Pick one problem you see around you, brainstorm a simple tech-powered solution, and start taking small steps today. The world is full of opportunities. It's just waiting for you to grab them. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe, or share it with someone who needs a little startup motivation. Remember, your next big idea might be just one small step away. Until next time, go out there and create something amazing.